I'm at my new listing here in Cocoa Beach, right by the Cocoa Beach Pier. Private beach access, as you can see. Come take a look at it with me. So it's 4800 Ocean Beach Boulevard, unit 125. It's a nice quiet community down here in Cocoa Beach. Again, it's about half a mile to the Cocoa Beach Pier. Private beach access. It is 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, fully remodeled, and it is 1,000 square feet. As you can see, right here is the pool area. And the best part about this unit is that it's literally right outside the pool and the beach. So this is the unit outside. Again, unit 125. Come take a look. Fully remodeled. Look at that flooring, it's beautiful. Here you got the kitchen. Over here, got the first bedroom that leads right outside. Fully remodeled bath. Take a look at that. Into the primary, where we actually have a washer and dryer in unit. And here's the primary shower and bath. It's going to be listed at $299. Shoot me a text if you got any questions.